Just find the number in this word problem, and it says when a number is tripled, the number, so let us say the number is x. Now this number is tripled, which means times 3, and 5 times the number, let us say 5 times the number now is subtracted, which means minus 5x. Now the result is 3.7. so here we have 3x minus 5x equals what? 3.7. Let's find the value of x. So 3x minus 5x will give us negative 2x equals 3.7. Let's divide both sides by negative 2. This will eliminate this. Now 2 here, 1. 2 in 3 is 1. Okay, remember 1 in 1 is impossible. Now in 17 you have 8. Now remember 1, so you have 0. In 10 here we have what? 5. So the value of the unknown number is negative 1.85. Thank you and God bless you.